guys, so today we're going to show you guys how to make deviled eggs. So first you're going to take any large white eggs, however many you want, and you're going to boil them on medium heat. Once they come to a boil, you're going to run them over with cold water. Once they're cool, you're going to go and detach the shell from the egg. Next, you're going to remove any excess shell that was remain on the eggs with water. Next, slice all the eggs in half, I'll say hot dog style. Next, you want to remove all the yolks from the eggs. You can do this by using a spoon or just by putting slight pressure on the eggs. Now you're going to scoop about 2 scoops of Miracle Whip mayonnaise into your yolk mix. Add a little bit of relish and a little bit of honey mustard. Add a little bit of ground black pepper and also a little bit more mayonnaise. Then mix until you get the desired consistency. Then to top it off, you can add some paprika on the top of the eggs, and then it's ready to serve. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye!